Hi everyone, welcome to Storyteller. Wish you all a very happy Onam. On this occasional day, we would like to share a few minutes with you on saying the story of history of Onam. Many people say that the Onam was celebrated as a harvest festival, and it has another version based on the King Mahabali. So once upon a time, there was a king called King Mahabali who ruled over Kerala. He was an Asura king. Even then, he was an Asura. He was greatly respected by the people in his kingdom, and he was considered to be wise, and he was generic to his people. So generous to his people. So everyone in his kingdom were really happy. There were no discrimination either based on the caste or class, or even the rich and poor were treated equally. There was no corruption or no crime during his period when he ruled over the country, so people were really happy. So due to his popularity, the gods become extremely concerned and jealous actually. Gods in the sense Indra and his ministry gods. So what has happened is one time they had a war with Mahabali, and what happened is the gods have Mahabali has won that war. So from that time they thought that they felt threatened actually, and they decided to kill or close this King Mahabali. So what happened is in the meantime Mahabali was thinking to perform a puja and donate whatever people want in his country. So this puja was about to be performed by Lord Sukracharya. Sukracharya is the guru of Asuras actually. So what happened is they started performing the puja and started donating to people. When somebody come and ask, king, I want this, Mahabali gave that. So this was happening for the entire day after the puja. In the meantime, what happened is this gods got frightened and they went back to Vishnu saying that please help us on this. They said, because if he will be becoming more succeeded when he does this, they said. So what Lord Vishnu did is he came to earth in the form of a Brahmin, Vamana. So what he did is he went to Mahabali. Once he went to Mahabali, he said he went as a dwarf Brahmin, which is very short. He was about very small. So what happened is then the Mahabali asked, what do you want? He asked, and he said, whatever I ask, will you be able to give? Then Mahabali said, yes, obviously I will be able to give. Seeing all this, Sukracharya said that please don't promise him to give anything, because he was aware what happened. So but even then Mahabali said, no, I will be giving, because I have promised to give people whom comes in front of me. Then what happened is the boy said, Lord Vishnu said, I want 3 feet of land. Then what happened is Mahabali said, no problem, I can give you 3 feet of land. This is what, nothing, he said. So what happened is the Brahmin, the Vamana, took one of his legs and he kept. So at first step, the Brahmin covered the whole of the earth. With his first step, he covered the whole of earth, and with the other step, he covered the whole of the sky entirely. He then asked the king, where is the space for me to keep the third foot? Then King Mahabali was shocked. He said, with his folded hands, he bowed before the Vamana and asked him to place this last step on his head. He asked the Lord Vishnu to keep his last step on the king's head, so that he could keep up the promise. Now the Brahmin placed his foot on the head of the king and now trampled the Mahabali to the nether world, which is another world is in the underground. We will say top above is one, sky is one thing, and the earth is being considered as another world, and under the earth, beneath the earth is considered as another world. So the Brahmin placed his foot on the head of the king and trampled Mahabali to the nether world. So now the king said, he requested Lord Vishnu to be allowed to visit his land and people once in a year. And Vishnu granted his wish, and that day of visit of King Mahabali to Kerala is celebrated as the Onam of every year. Thank you so much for hearing and watching Storyteller. Wish you all a very happy Onam. Thank you.